everyone, this is Eliza from the Down Home Doodle team. I'm here with Fanta and Eli's beautiful mini Bernedoodle puppies. This is a really special litter and we'll hopefully be holding a couple of these guys back. We're waiting for some genetic testing results to come back and then we'll know for sure so you guys can get excited. But these guys are so sweet. They're about 3.5 weeks old now and they have the cutest little faces, huh? This is the Grinch Litter. And I'm going to introduce them to you today. These two are a couple cuties. This one is Betty and this one's Boris. Boris is the male, Betty's the girl. And they have the cutest little faces. They're so sweet. They've got some black on their back. Betty's more of like an Oreo Merle. Boris is more solid. They're just learning to walk around and kind of interact. Now the most friendly puppy right now in this litter is Miss Annie. And she's also the most petite one. She's a little bit smaller than the others. She's not a runt, but she's a little bit more petite, and she's very, very friendly. Hi. It looks like her left eye is blue and her right eye is brown to me. She's just the cutest little thing that ever existed. That's Annie. And then this one is Sally O'Malley. I don't really know what Sally is. She's really different. She's like a darker, chocolatey Merle color. She's not chocolate, but she's definitely more of a dark gray in comparison. And she has two bright blue eyes. You can obviously tell those are blue. And then this is Augustus, and he's one of my favorites. He's a little chunk. Big boy. He's got some black spots. He's actually mostly black with just some Merle accents. And he's got a really blocky face like a Bernice. Okay. And then we have the Grinch. The Grinch. Hello, Grinch. It looks like he's got some blue in his eyes, but I don't think his eyes are completely blue. He's got some white around the back of his neck. These guys are expected to be about 30 to 40 pounds. Usually males are on the larger end of that range. Meadow and Willow, the two girls we held back from their last litter, they're about 30 pounds, and Ranger's closer to the 40-pound mark. Hi, we already did you. Okay, and then we have Max here, and he's also one of my favorites. He's got a cowlick on his face, which is kind of funny. You can kind of see his hair stands up in the middle of his nose. It's so funny. Hey. But he's got cutest markings, lots of tan, really fire tan points. These guys are not expected to fade. The last litter we had with Fanta and Eli did not fade one bit. Looks like all their puppies held their tan really well, so they're expected to hold their tan really well. And who are you? This is Cindy. It looks like she has two blue eyes as well. She's got more white. She's gonna be really flashy. She's got a short little nose. And they're not expected to be curly. They're definitely gonna be more straight to wavy. Like most our puppies, we don't typically have really tight curls because they're just harder to take care of as they get older. But yeah, I just wanted to hop on here and share a little bit about these babies. They're doing really well, they're growing well. And yeah, we'll post some new pictures on our website and we will continue posting some updates as these guys get older. We'll do pick day around 6 weeks of age, and that's when everybody on our waitlist will be able to select their puppy. After we go through the waitlist process, then the puppies available go on the available page. Of course, everybody that adopts from us has to submit an application. Once you're approved, the available puppies are just first come, first serve. But if you're interested in being added to the selection list, we do have some spots open still. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next week.